Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to change the dust bag for Qrevo. This is Roborock Qrevo Edge C robotic vacuum cleaner. So first of all, this is the cover. You have to just press from both the side and pull. So this is Roborock Qrevo Edge C vacuum cleaner, and once you open up the lid, so this is the dust bag, and the instructions are here how to open the dust bag and replace with the new one. Just you have to pull that, see, like this, so it will come out, and then you can change and put up the new dust bag. So once you take out the old dust bag, so this is the new dust bag. Same way you have to press, so it will slide in just like this. And just put it inside. So once it is all done, so this is the lid you have to attach. So this is how you have to do it. So once you take out the dust bag, so it will come up like this, and if you just press slightly, so you can see the opening here. So this is the opening for the dust bag. You can empty the dust bag, and that way you can reuse the dust bag. So after opening this lid cover, so I have now emptied the bag. So you can, same way, you can insert that and put up the bag like this. So it will go, so it will go like this. So these are the instruction manual. You can see that how to change, but otherwise it is the way I show you how to change and empty the dust bag. So you can either reuse the same bag or either you can install the new one. I will be showing you how you can change the dirty water after the mop has finished. So let me show you. So this is the vacuum cleaner, and on the top you can see there are two containers. On the right one, as you can see, it is a symbol of clean water, and on the left one there is a symbol of dirty water. So before you start the cleaning process, mopping process, just make sure that there is a adequate water. As you can see, there is a water inside the container. You just have to lift the container. That's it. And same way, once the mopping is finished, so you take out the left container, just simply pull it up. There is no lock. And as you can see, there is a dirty water, and you can change that. So on the container one side there is a clip. As you can see, just simply pull and then lift. So this is the dirty water. As you can see, simply make it empty, and once it is empty you can place back in the machine. That's it. So I have thrown the dirty water. It is all clean. Make sure that your container is clean. It is good for the long run. So just close that lid and there will be a click. It means it is locked now. So we will put up the lid here. So it is all done. So that is how you do it. Now the last part is how to clean the mop pad. So the mop pads are under the machine, and how to clean the sensor also, because you sometimes get a sensor warning that the sensors are not clean. So I will be showing you what you need to do. So you need a towel basically, because we need to put up the vacuum cleaner upside down, and because there are parts here, as you can see, so it may damage. So don't put it on the floor. Just take out the vacuum cleaner and put up upside down, so just like this. And this is the cleaning for vacuuming, and this is the mop pad. So you just have to simply lift that. See, now you got a warning that mop pad is removed. So see, this is from the back. So you can just simply wash that with the hot water regularly from time to time, and then you can maybe I suggest you do it hand wash instead of putting in the washing machine. So that is, you have to do it, and same way you have to see. Now I can show you here, there is a, as you can see, there is a hole, it will go there. See now, and same way you lift the other one, and that is how you clean this one. So I suggest you can clean from time to time, and once the mop pad is damaged or worn due to the time, then you can buy the new one from the store. And now we will see, we put it back. So that is the thing. And last thing about how to maintain this machine properly. So make sure that these flicks are also clean. And on the top side I will be showing you, there is a, this is the top part. So you just have to lift the cover. To lift the cover, see this one, this is the dustpan, and here the sensor is here. So you just have to lift that. See this one, this is the dustpan. So the dustpan is collected here, and then from when the machine is back to the charging hub, then it will be transferred back to the dust bag. So make sure that this is clean. And if you see on the other side here, so this part is clean. So if it is blocked somewhere, then you will be getting a message that the sensor is not clean. So make sure you use some kind of brush, anything to clean that properly. And here also, if you see inside, there is a filter. So make sure that you clean the filter from time to time. So once it is all done, you can simply put it back. See this one, and you can place the lid back on the machine, top of the machine. It is just simple, you just lift, it will be like removed, you just put it back, that's it. For returning to the dock, there is two buttons here. This one is a power button, and this one is a home key. You just have to press that.
Continue returning to dock.
See, it will be now going back to the docking station.
Charging.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another video. Thank you.